In this video, I will be testing a side hustle that claims you can make $7 every 60 seconds. That's literally $420 every hour just by watching some ads. I'm going to be showing you exactly how it's done, how long I actually tried this side hustle, as well as showing you my results. And if there's something better that you could do as a side hustle to earn money instead of watching these videos. I'm going to be showing you the exact process the original content creator suggested, and we will see if it makes sense. Now, if you want me to test other side hustles, please leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and also you can leave the type of side hustle that you want me to test, because I really want to help you sift through the crap and really start making some money online. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about that original video that the content creator said that we can use to make some money online. $500 per hour, right? Who wouldn't do it? So the website is zoombox.com, and you're going to just sign up, log in, watch some videos, and simply get paid $7 every second, or should I say $420 per hour. All you're going to do is just make sure that you watch some videos with some ads, right? And that's all you have to do to earn $420 per hour again and again and again on repeat. Unlimited money. So here I am, zoombox.com, and the first step is really to sign up. So the steps are really simple. You provide your email address, your password, and then you sign up. That's all you really need to provide. Or you can sign up with Facebook or Google, right? So I already have an account. So all you need to do to start making $7 every 60 seconds from now is go to the section that says watch video. On the video section, you select Lootably. Now if you take a good look here, it says 5 points or 3 videos with ads. Credits unlimited times. That means you can continuously watch the videos and earn each time you watch that video. But key thing here, an ad has to be shown. So let's select more info. Another thing to note is that the minimum amount of points redeemed from loot is 10 points, right? So you're going to select start, and then you can select any of these videos and watch them, right? However, I had went ahead and started this about 3 hours now, and I did it on multiple tabs.
Holy shit, Ashley's disgusting!
So this is my first tab, my second tab, and my third tab.
And I will see you on my next.
Now, one thing I noticed, even though I was running 3 tabs for about 3 hours, I only accumulated 27.5 points. And remember, I should be earning $7 every 7 seconds. So why do I only have 27.5 points? And a point is not the equivalent of $1. Let me reset this. And by the way, for Loot TV, you have to create an additional account before you could actually get in, right? So I'm going to select my points here. I'm going to select redeem points. Select an account, which was Zoombox. Now here's another trick. Even though I earned 20 points here, it's actually less when I redeem it. I will be getting 14 points. Now I'm going to select redeem Loot TV points. And before I can do that, I have to verify my email. So I just confirm my email. So I'm going to try and redeem my loot points. So my points were successfully redeemed, so I'm going to select continue watching. And remember, I was doing this approximately 3 hours. So let's head back to Zoombox, refresh, and I have 1,014 points. Now remember, you're doing this side hustle to earn some cash. But when you're actually going to redeem the points, you're only going to get gift cards. That means you basically have to go and spend that money again. So how is this side hustle beneficial to you? So here, I'm going to select gift cards and cash. These are the various type of gift cards that you can redeem. So I'm just going to select redeem on the first one. And as you can see, insufficient points. Even though I tried this side hustle for 3 hours, I do not have sufficient points to redeem even a $2 gift card. So based on this estimate here, $2 is the equivalent of 2,250 points. That means you need to accumulate 1,125 points, right, to earn $1. Now, how did I get the 1,000 points? Is that I completed a survey basically selling all my information, but I had put in some gibberish in those forms. So how these sites really make money is by companies promoting their ads on their site and by them selling your information to other third party. So that is the reason why you really have to confirm your email address. Now let me go back to the home page for a second. Anytime you see join for free, chances are you're going to be the product and your information will be sold. So what ultimately happens is that you're going to be spending your time on these sites, right? Doing a couple of hours to earn some dollars, and then you realize that this is not feasible. And then you're going to stop, and then you're not going to redeem the points just like I did. So the company is going to end up unearned because they're getting ad impressions, the ads are being shown, and you're going to be left frustrated and wanting to give up. So essentially these companies are going to be making a lot of money off you. And not only them, the creators that are selling these junks also, they're going to be making the $500 per hour through YouTube AdSense and the referral program for these companies, right? So if you go back to Zoombox and scroll down to the section that says invite friends, you will see that they have a referral link. Now when these creators share these referral links, right, they earn 7% of what you earn. So these little cents that they will be earning off your effort that you tried and give up, it's going to work out to be a lot for them. And you end up getting no value for your time, literally. So in other words, they're literally scamming you out of your time. Now the time that you took to watch these videos, you could actually be creating something valuable and put online for yourself. You could be creating some TikTok videos, you could be creating YouTube videos, you can even be working on a digital product. These are the ways you actually make money online. I was literally in the same position as you, and it was until I realized that I have to be creating my own blog, my own YouTube channel, own products, right? That's when I realized it was actually possible to make money online. You won't really make any money online doing these types of junk that doesn't really work. You're going to be earning points, and when you get those points, you have to convert it to some gift card, and that gift card has to be spent on some products, and you want cash to pay bills and do all types of things. You're literally being scammed out of your time, making them money, while you are the one who is left frustrated and don't know what else to try. Ultimately, they don't care if you find success or not, because it's all about getting that YouTube ad revenue in their pocket by all means. So yes, it's possible to make money online. However, you have to focus on creating and putting out actual value out there, because those videos are perceived value, but is it actually valuable, right? It comes off as valuable as they wanting to help you, but are you being helped? This world is a selfish world, and you have to really consume content with a grain of salt, right? It is possible to make $500 per day, yes, but how long is it going to take you? What products you need to sell? What service do you really need to offer? But watching some videos and making $500 per day, or copy and pasting from Google and make $500 per day, it's a no-no. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.